Like, how it's got washed. I don't know when I can get these, but by April, it drops from its original $38 price tag to $7.99. Which is just like, nah, fuck this. We don't need these useless games anymore. Just drop them off in the desert. In 2014, people actually found them, activated them, and they're successfully doing that. They sell walking for $1,500. Like I said, twice now. Atari ET to be the worst game in history. See what? He just flies. He doesn't do it. He just decides, as I said, he never decides, no, I just am phoning home already and just flies off. Like, if you're pretty comedic, like, fuck this, you fuck.